So at Hastreiter Industries, one of our core values is prepare. As an organization, how are we preparing for the future? How are we preparing for the success of our people here? With that success of the employees, the people that we work with here, how do we support them to really become the best that they can be? We spend so much of our life at work. The work environment, the physical work environment, the company culture, who you work with matters. And so we're here to do our best to serve our employees to make sure that they have what they need to do their job, that they're content, that they're happy, that they have the support that they need to be successful, whether they're at work or outside of work. One of the unique things about Hastreiter Industries is that we're producing not just critical components, but the important part is also how we're making it and the results generated from what we make. Not just in the difference that it makes to our customers, to critical industries like aerospace, defense, medical, and other industries, but also the results of our work. We're investing back into the community. We have an industry-driven makerspace that we're a leader in, giving students the opportunity to get into clubs that they just don't have at their normal high school or if they're homeschooled. The employees have the ability to choose where Hastreiter Industries donates money every year. So then the employees have the option, and you can have the option to say what's important to me, and the heart behind the company, matches with what you care about. Manufacturing is coming back to America. There's a whole new wave of need for you. So we're not just building parts, we're building the future for our employees and our community.